was a big transformation for me. But leaving Candy is the joining date will be 16th of. Well, hello beautiful people, and today I have come with a bang because there's something that needs to be shared with you all. I should have done this way before, but everything was going very uncertain, so I didn't feel like talking about my goals to you prior to this. But now that I have got my news, which is a very very big news, a big transformation for me, I think it's time to let all you know about it. And I know many of you are going to be shocked, many of you are going to love it, and many of you might won't consider the thought of it. But let's just get ahead. And okay, so the moment of revelation, and there goes the drum rolls. Well, your yours truly has got the call and the offer letter for Indigo's joining. And well, today is 14th of September 2024, and all the process related to it I will talk about it on a later video. But today is 14th of September, and I got the news today morning only that I am going to New Delhi for my training, and my joining date will be 16th of September, which is like day after tomorrow. And oh my god, I'm just so excited. And right now I don't have any time to do anything. I have to pack, I have to leave this house, I have to bid my cutie patootie goodbye, and I'm not good at goodbyes, I would say. So there's a lot of thing which is going on right now in my head, and there's a lot of thing on my plate, and I don't know what things I'm going to do right now. But there's like step by step things. But before that, I felt like sharing it with you all, and I think this will be aired many days after things are happening right now, because I don't have time to shoot and edit, do everything simultaneously. So this will go after a while, and I hope everyone will be very happy for me when you hear all this. I wish. So yeah, that's the news that I wanted to share with you, that I am going to Delhi for my training for about 3 months. It's also I got into Indigo. मैंने तो ये बोला ही नहीं. So I got into Indigo, and since their training takes place in Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad as well, but my base is Delhi. And yeah, I'm just like I'm in a bit of rush, but that's it, I guess. Now I think it's time to say goodbye to this cutie patootie, and I don't know when we are going to meet her next. And I think she now knows ki she's going someplace. There's a crash, and I will be keeping her over there. If the crash is good, I will let you know. And any cat parent, specifically cat parent who wants their kid to have a company while you're not in the city, I will give you the details once I, क्योंकि मैंने भी खुद अभी वो टेस्ट नहीं किया है, तो it's new for me. So yeah, it's a very very big decision, a very big leap of faith, and let's see. So Jai Mata Di, and आज का पूरा दिन I will show you what I am doing. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to chop my hairs off, because if I'm having longer hair, I have to make a bun out of it. I don't think that's very specific for me, and very easy for me to do every morning while I wake up. So better I'm going to ease my thing, and I'm going to take a haircut. मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा है कि भाई इतने मुश्किल से मैंने इतनी लंबी बाल कर ली थी. It is lamba for me. So now I have to chop it off, and itna I guess I'm going to cut it. Chalo, stay tuned guys. Well, I know I never showed you guys the whole property. This is the area I was living in for about 2.5 years now. This was the balcony I used to sit and chill. And please don't blame me. abhi I have to rush things very quickly, so everything is like kind of mess. I have to do movers and packers stuff. So yeah, you see, this was the room. This was my room, by the way, and yeah, that's my bed. I'm gonna miss it. That's my candy mama. Maybe the last time I'm seeing her sitting over there. Well, यहाँ से आओगे तो that was the kitchen. Very small space and comfy for me. Then utensils, I keep it here, and this is Candy's corner. All her food and water goes here. That is the entry of my house. From there I used to come, and then that corner is for Candy's litter and all. This one is the shoe rack thing for me, and I used to have so many more things, but I just got rid of them recently. So now, as you can see, ये भी काफ़ी बिखरी हुई है. I have to keep a check on them. And there, this is more like a storage room, and I used to keep all my things here, and I don't have much of things, as you can see. So yeah, no judgments. I believe no judgments. And yeah, that was my bathroom, my washroom. So let's not get ahead, but that was pretty okay for me. I liked it. And yeah, that's my chota sa gharana that I have to leave now. And for the starters, I used to live here all alone, and kabhi kabhi parents aa jaye to aa jaye. Baki, I used to live here all alone, and the terrace is the most good part about it. But I don't think I'll be able to take you up there. If I'll take you. And then this is the area that I'm gonna miss. This is the view that I'm gonna miss. So pretty, right? So beautiful. So yeah, for something good, you have to leave something out, है ना Candy? Oh my god. चलो ठीक है, मिलते हैं. I have to rush. चलो, bye. I don't know what's happening with my life right now, but leaving Candy is the biggest problem for me. क्योंकि ऐसे कभी किसी के घर पे या किसी के भी क्रैश पे मैंने उसको कभी छोड़ा नहीं है. ऊपर से द थिंग इज़ कि आई हैव टू लीव दिस हाउस आफ्टर लिविंग 2.5 years here. मेरे को बड़ा ना, मतलब ऐसा टेंशन हो रहा है. लाइक सडनली लाइफ हैज़ टेकन दिस टोल. मैंने तो लाइक सुबह से खाना भी नहीं खाया, एंड आई एम हैविंग माई ब्रेकफास्ट राइट नाउ. अभी कुछ 2-3 बजे. हेलो गाइस. सो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं कैंडी को क्रैश में छोड़ने आऊँगी, एंड मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी एट फर्स्ट कि मैं जहाँ पे छोड़ने जा रही हूँ वो किधर होगा, क्या होगा. एंड फाइनली मैं जब पहुँच गई हूँ, मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि यहाँ की ओनर काफ़ी स्वीट है और ये बहुत रिकमेंडेड है. और मैं आपको भी थोड़ी देर में उनसे बात भी करवाती हूँ, आप उनसे खुद सुन लो. एंड मैं आपको एक छोटा सा रूम टूर भी दे दूँगी ताकि आपको पता रहे कि आपकी कैट सेफ़ है या नहीं. हेलो मैम.
हेलो.
आप अपना नाम बता दो.
मोनिका.
ओके. आप कितने साल से चला रहे हो ये
क्रैश? मेरा 2 साल हो गया.
2 साल.
ये पूजा में पूरा 2 इयर्स हो जाएगा.
ओके. और ये आप अकेले संभालते हो?
बिल्कुल.
और मतलब क्या आपकी कॉस्ट होती है, आप अगर हमें बता सको तो.
पहले जब शुरू किया था तब मैं 250 करके लेती थी.
अच्छा.
हाँ, जब शुरू किया था तो उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि नहीं, इससे मैं मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, तो अभी 300 है. तो वो लोग फ्रेंडली नहीं है. यहाँ मेरा 2 रेस्क्यू डॉग्स हैं, तो ये तो शायद अभी नीचे चली गई है.
ओके. सो ये आप एक कैट को पर रूम देते हो?
हाँ, कैट प्रूफ रूम है. आप देखो. ये देखो नीचे, ये तो यहाँ है.
जस्ट टेल मी कि मैम अभी मिली है इस कैट से और ये इतनी फ्रेंडली हो गई है जैसे कि ये हमेशा से जानती होंगी. ये देखो, कैंडी ने नया घर भी ढूंढ लिया. कैंडी, कैंडू का नया घर है.
कितनी सॉफ्ट है.
के लिए आई हूँ because I guess this hair length will not be acceptable in India in my airline company, so I'm going to cut my hair short, even shorter than this. I know you people love me with long hair, but हर बार मुझे ये करना पड़ता है अपने वालों के साथ. Not a problem. ये भी सही है. Hi guys, so I'm back and मैंने अभी अपना eyebrow shape change करवाया है. If you can notice, I used to do this before and I love it when I have this ring shape, and I do now. So it's looking gorgeous, and yes, see my hair for the last time. This hair length is going. But say bye bye. And tell me on the comments, how do you like my eyebrows? Moment of truth. I don't know how much you like this, but this is where I have. मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. लेकिन thing is कि I'm just way too hungry right now, and अभी मैं जा रही हूँ on the food court. Let's see if I want to eat something or not. I'll have something. Just let me have that moment. Just let me have that moment, my me moment. You know what? My life within few months is about to look exactly like what I am doing right now. So it's more like कि मैं अभी से ही अपने आप को उस चीज़ में डालने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So I'm sitting alone and I'm having my meal, which is a chicken box from KFC, and let's see what they have. For starters, we have this chicken. I don't know, I have to read through this. There's 2 hot wings and 1 piece some chicken, I don't know, Cobb chicken I guess, and then there's a regular Pepsi, and they haven't added any ice. Like KFC do not do this. Why don't you do this, KFC? And this signature sauce they have. Let's see, it's termed as to be spicy. So open it up. वैसे तो चलो let's chat, since I have not done that for the longest time. काफ़ी रश में हूँ, so I was supposed to मतलब मुझे कैंडी को छोड़ना पड़ा उसके क्रैश में, and that's a new feeling for me as well. But the owner there, she's so polite, I must say. तो उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से उसकी देखरेख कर लेगी वो, I know. Okay, so this looks very spicy. You know what the fun fact is? I went to the KFC I went to KFC counter, and then I asked that lady out there, which is the most affordable combo meal do you have? I said most affordable combo meal, and she mentioned that one, which stated 695 rupees. Exclusively tax exclusive, and I told her, but I told you it should be something that one person can eat by his or herself only. So then I mentioned her, what about the chicken box, and then I got one. So things that you do. वैसे तो ये बहुत heavy है, मेरी पेट भर जाने वाली है. Let's have it and taste. Okay. ये काफ़ी दीदी है. It's like मीठा तीखा टेस्ट. To be honest, this is how my life would look after a while now. There wouldn't be people here in my support always, इनायत over there जो मुझे कंपनी करे. मुझे सारी चिकन की टेस्ट सेम ही लग रही है. So it's time already and मुझे जो मैं करवाना है वो मैंने करवा लिया है. मैंने हेयर कट ले लिया, थ्रेडिंग करवा ली, कैंडी को छोड़ दिया और now I'm heading back home. So let's see. I have loads on my plate as I mentioned before. Bags है, मुझे पैकिंग करनी है, मुझे बहुत सारे Xerox करवाने हैं and I have done nothing and it's already I guess 6 PM. Let's see. मुझे अभी घर घुसते ही लेजिट पैनिक अटैक आए. सुबह से मैं इतनी बिजी थी कि मैं भूल गई थी कि कैंडी को मैंने क्रैश पे छोड़ दिया है. एंड अभी तक मुझे अपडेट तो मिली नहीं है. मैं अपडेट लूँगी थोड़ी देर में. सीरियसली, व्हेन यू आर सो अटैच विथ एनी ऑफ योर पेट्स ना, life becomes a little bit of miserable for you when they are not around. Okay, so shall we talk now? Like simple baat and no bakwas. Abhi I'm doing my packing and I must say and I must agree on it ki this is a very tough thing. When you have to leave your home, you have to leave your comfort. That's a very, very hard part of all the things. Yes, you are going to do something great. You're going to achieve something great, but the mixed feelings that comes with it is just unbearable. And I'm just breaking up every now and then. Every room that I'm roaming around, it makes me feel the presence of Candy over there. Yeah, I'm talking like she's not anymore, but no, it's like कि उसका इस घर पे इतना ज़्यादा impact है कि if you'll go in any corner of my house now, of this house, you'll see something or the other of her belonging left over there. तो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसकी याद आ रही है. दूसरी बात कि मैं पैक कर रही हूँ एंड देन आई एम क्राइंग. मैं पैक कर रही हूँ एंड देन आई एम क्राइंग बिकॉज इट्स लाइक कि ओ माई गॉड, मैंने इतना सारा इधर दिया एंड अभी इस घर को छोड़ना है. बट देन एवरी टाइम आई एम वॉचिंग माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर, आई जस्ट फील लाइक अपने रिफ्लेक्शन को देख करके ओ माई गॉड, दैट सान्या बैक फ्रॉम 11-year-old Sanya who had a vision एक केबिन क्रू को देख करके कि I wanna become a cabin crew and today it's a big deal. It's a huge deal for me, I'm telling you. God, it wasn't easy. It wasn't at all easy and it is not easy at all. Yet it's not easy, but let's see what future holds for me. बहुत नई है ये चीज़ मेरे लिए, बहुत ही ज़्यादा नई है. It's like it's something very different from my daily life. My daily life used to look like me sitting around my house on my bed, binge watching, binge eating. There was no physical activity included for the longest period of time. I used to be very depressed. It was like not very serious kind of depression, but depressed as in I used to think a lot anxiety issues and everything were there, and the depression, as in I didn't used to feel happy at times. There were long periods ki अच्छी चीज़ें हो रही है, still I'm not happy. So I don't know, this thing has given me a push, and I just want to say that yes, I'm proud of myself कि that dream that Choti Sanya saw some years ago is now finally becoming her reality. I know she must be very proud, and there are my friends who are very proud of me, and I'm grateful to have them.